On the sea, a couple of new pillar. Yes, pillar. New pillar. There are pillar and wire. Too many. They're connecting each other. Each pillar have a wire.
Is that a internet pillar?
I think it's electric pillar.
I do internet. We can play game
No,
here.
internet no need wire. Electric needs wire. Internet only need gelombang.
Who said so?
Wave. Internet only need wave.
Maksudnya kalau Iran potong wire
Fiber.
internet kat bawah tu, semua terus stuck.
Fiber optic yang ni. Kalau waktu malam kan, warna dia dia ada warna-warni. Macam lampu gaya.
Like, what happened?
What happened? What?
What happened if that sea tall and touch that electric pillar?
I think short lah.
Lightning glitch.
How they put the pillar into the sea? Sea is very deep. How they do that? They use helicopter. They bring the pillar and then toss the pillar inside the sea. How they do that? I think it's not floating. The pillar is inside deep into the sea, touching the ground.
So he can run away inside
If
the
the
sea.
pillar is floating, you will not hear. Maybe the pillar already go to the other bridge. Is it logic?
No.
I think they use helicopter. They take the pillar and then drop it direct to the sea. Big helicopter. Another shape. This one first shape and then the second shape. New pillar. The pillar looks like ice.
Why?
Wow, so many pillars.
Why he placed a different pillar?
Huh. And then the pillar is shorter, and then the pillar is taller. Not same shape, not same height too. Go this straight there. Is it right? Cable car. This is cable car, cable wire. One side only. There's no pillar there. Only here. Wow.
That
Pillar is so long. What?
I see many ball is floating
What
at
ball?
the pillar.
Oh, I see too. Small ball.
Floating.
Yeah.
Floating ball.
They attach the ball to the wire. That's why you can solve.
Ball. Inside the ball have the wire?
I also don't know. You see, they make a new. They want to make a new construction here.
What is that pillar?
Oh, they want to make a new pillar.
Repair kot. Ataupun apa?
Oh, maybe they want to
Modify.
repair.
This is a watchtower.
Oh, see that?
This is a watchtower.
Who want to climb there to watch?
But that
Want to
word,
climb it? Fly it from here.
That.
Yeah, what?
That word don't get it.
What do you mean? That word.
Dia belum siap.
Oh, not completed yet. Okay.
That word not
After complete, we can climb it.
Huh?
Climb to the top of the pillar to watch.
Watchtower.
Yeah. What?
Astes Iceland.
Oh, that is Iceland, not Iceland. Island. There is Penang Island.
Itulah.
Yeah.
Dia kecil.
Oh, there's not Penang. There's a small island only.
Yes, I say this is a Astes Island, not that.
Do you want to buy them? Buy the lot at the island there. Then we can live there. Make a house.
But
And
what?
then we need to boat every day. Go to the Penang. What?
Say this.
Georgetown. Oh, Georgetown is over there.
Hey, tadi I kat belakang tu dia buat ke dalam laut. What? Welcome to Georgetown. Finally we got that
Finally,
Georgetown.
we arrived Georgetown. We arrived my hometown.
Menghan 5 kilometer, keluar ke kiri, kemudian belok kiri.
Finally, we reached Pulau Pinang. How many hours? 7 is about 6 plus 7, 13 hours.
Not 13 hours, but 67 hours.